Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a makeup look with affordable products. The main star of the show is going to be the Profusion Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm also going to be trying out the blush and the lip liner lip kit that they also have. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first we're going to start off with my Loreal Infallible Concealer to conceal my eyes, so that way it's ready for the eyeshadows. The color that I'm using is 365 Cashew. Originally I had picked it up just to conceal my eyes, but I like it under my eyes, but I like it now to prime for eyeshadow. And then I'm just using my Cashew beauty sponge. And the star of the show today is going to be this festival palette by Profusion, and this is my first time trying it, you guys. So I was so excited because I love all those colors in there. It's like springy colors, and you can do like nude colors, so that's what really caught my eye. And plus it's really affordable. I want to say it's like $12.98, but I'll leave in the description down below the actual price, and I did pick it up at my Walmart. I'm gonna pick up the color Beat from that palette, and then I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush. You can see the first application, it doesn't have a whole lot of pigmentation. But it's not bad. So I'm going to keep applying that color and keep putting it in my crease as a transition color with the same Wet n Wild brush. And then I'm going to take my Morphe E28 brush. It's kind of pointed, and I'm going to take Fortune, and going to put that in my crease here. Oh, see, this one has a lot of pigmentation. Ooh, I like that. And lately, you guys, I've been loving these kind of colors. I know a lot of my old videos from like a while ago, I use a lot of nudie colors, but lately I've been like loving like these kind of spring colors. And then I'm going to take Hot as Fuck with that same Morphe brush, and then I'm going to apply it in my crease. This is like looks like a peachy color. And that's really pretty. Really pretty. Yes, I like it. That one's like really pigmented. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Wet n Wild beauty brush and apply B and blend it all together. And I'm gonna take my MAC flat shader brush. It's very dense. And I'm going to get that color Daze and put it on my lid. And I'm going to take my Fix Plus and spray the brush to intensify the color more. Pat it here on my lid. Oh yeah, you see how it makes it like really prettier? Yeah, that's a really pretty color. I was gonna do a cut crease, but I decided just to do it this way. I'm gonna take the Morphe M506 brush. I like it because it has a little tip there, and I'm gonna take the color Wristband and kind of put it on the outer corner. The color Daze on that same MAC brush to intensify the color a little bit more. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild brush and get that color, pick up the color Fortune, and then apply it up here to blend everything all together. Then I'm going to take this Real Techniques little brush and get the color Winning and apply it on my brow bone. That's like the lightest color they had. I'm going to go back with the Wet n Wild brush and then just blend that all out because that one was very pigmented. And then I'm going to take my Sigma little lip liner brush and pick up the color Sunnies and put it on my inner corner. It's a nice yellow color. That's what the most color I was excited about, you guys, was that yellow one. I was like, oh my god. Then I'm going to take my NYC eyeliner to do my waterline. This has been my favorite, you guys. It's 24-hour wear and it's like very affordable. I got it from Influenced, or I think they sent it to me in one of their boxes. Then I'm going to take my Sigma pencil brush and get Hot as Fuck and Days Together. Okay, so I'm going to put my eyelashes on and then finish the other eye, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my other eye and did my foundation and concealer. I do have an updated foundation routine video. I'll link it down below so you guys can watch that. And also let me know if you guys like watching like me doing both of my eyes or just one eye and finishing the other. Let me know to see what you guys like and I can definitely change it up a little bit. But look at these eyelashes, you guys. I forgot about these eyelashes. These are the Salon Perfect 615s. I like found them in my stash and they're like so bomb for like, I love them. And they're only like $2 or $3. So I'm gonna finish like my bronzer and highlighter with you guys. The bronzer that I'm gonna be using is my NYX Matte Bronzer. And I got the deep tan one, and I'm gonna take my Morphe 527 brush and then just bronze my face a little bit. And oh my god, you guys, so I did the e.l.f. poreless primer and it makes my face like really luminous, like so bomb, you guys. The next item I have is this blush palette from Profusion, and I got the #1. Look at how pretty those colors are, you guys. Like they're so amazing and it's so affordable. They have two. The other one was a little bit darker. And I think I want to take the color Blossom. And it's very pigmented. And I'm going to take my MAC blush brush and then just apply it here. Oh, that's a nice color. Yeah. I like it. You see, it even gives you like a little sheen, like a highlight. So good. Look at that. It's gonna be like my next new favorite blush color, you guys. I love blush. I love a lot of nudie colors, but this one is like a highlight. Look. So pretty. Gosh. And then as always, I'm gonna take my Physicans Formula Butter Highlight and Champagne. I just seen online yesterday, Casey, well, her name is Casey, but Still Glamorous, and she put on her Instagram that, or maybe her Snapchat story, that they came out with the new highlighter. I don't know if they sent it to her or if she bought it, but it says it's like a cream to, like it's a cream first, I guess, and then it's like powder or whatever. Like, wow, do you guys see that? I love this highlight. Oh my gosh, like I'm like a beaming light. Look at that, so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. To finish up this look, I'm gonna use the Profusion Lip Kit that they have. This one is in the color Dream, and it's a lip liner plus the matte cream. Okay, I see. It's like a, you see, you just roll it on up. Okay. It doesn't look nothing like the packaging. So maybe the lip cream is different. It's just like the regular Doleful applicator. Okay, so this color on my lips is nothing I thought this was more like nudier, not as pinky. I don't really wear these colors too often on my lips. I don't feel like they look right on me, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, you guys, so this is a completed look. It's my eye look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It even matches my shirt. Look, you guys, what I'm wearing, I feel like so springy already, even though everybody's still getting sick like the flu. Like, it's still freaking winter time. This weather has been so freaking crazy here. I can just imagine the summertime, because it's gonna be probably like hell, but hopefully not. I do want to do kind of a rundown of the product. So I love the eyeshadow palette. The colors you do have to keep applying to get that pigmentation, but other than that, like, the palette is bomb, you guys, and for that price it's like really amazing. I love the blush, sheen and so beautiful. I didn't really care too much for the lip kit because okay, so the color, to me, it didn't feel like it matched because it looks really pinky, peachy, nude on my lips, and I don't really like those colors. I thought it was going to be more of a brown. So that I didn't like, and then it was like too watery. For me, I feel like if it's matte, it should be a little bit more thicker, not as watery. So I'm gonna pass on that. It wasn't too much money. It was only like $3.98, so it's not a big deal, but I don't think that I will be buying any of those soon. But the eyeshadow palettes are bomb. So they have different kinds, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up more because my Walmart does have like variety of their eyeshadow palettes. So I did like those eyeshadow palettes and the blush, you guys. The blush is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the other stuff. They have highlighters also, so just keep a lookout for that. As always, thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.